Hello friends. So in today's video we'll discuss about the Gann concept of anniversary date. Now I've written this on my weekly forecast yesterday on Nifty. Like Nifty has formed a weekly doji and we are approaching 08, which is Gann anniversary date. And so next week should see an exciting move. And today only we have seen a big down move in the market. So what is this anniversary date? A lot of people have asked me. So it's a very simple concept. Any person who want to learn should know about this anniversary date. So Gann spoke about this anniversary date in chapter 8th and ninth in his book of 45 Ways of Wall Street and How to Make Money in Commodities. These are easiest chapter. If suppose you want to go and learn Gann, just download these books. These are freely available on internet and just go through these chapters, chapter 8 and ninth. Very simple. The simple rule of anniversary is market will often reach extreme high and low or about on the same day and month in different years. So basically any given date where market has made a significant top or bottom. These are the very important anniversary date, and he has given example of October 1907, October 1970, 1987. Most of the crashes occur in October. Like this year, if you see, even we had a wonderful bull market going on in 23. Check in October 20, October. You saw the first major correction of the market. Nifty corrected on almost 1,000 points, right? So October is the month which generally affect all the global markets. Uh, yeah, so October, see here, from 21st, 17th October, this down move started. Now, this anniversary date concept for Nifty, Bank Nifty, you need to, so the biggest crash which we have seen in Indian stock market was in 2008, right? I mean, that was the one of the biggest crash which we have seen, and that has occurred. I mean, the top of that crash happened in January 8, 2008. So if I just go to trading view, this is Nifty's chart. You can see here Nifty made a top exactly on 8 January 2008, right? And after that the market almost corrected 50% from this point. From 6400 it came down to almost 22 2500. So this is an important day. I mean, there are various days which can be considered. Even the birth date is considered as an anniversary date. But for the sake of today's video, we'll just focus on 8 January, right? So let's see what happened on 8 January 2009. I mean, because any concept has to be validated, whether it is really working or not. So 8 January 2009, again, Nifty, so 8th was a holiday, so 7th, it fell down almost 6%, right? So let's see what happened in 2010. So you can just go ahead and backtest any 2000. See again, 8 January 2008. Again, it made a top, almost a top, and from there we had a significant correction. I'll just forward to 2020. Let's see what happened. 8 January 2020 is here. We made a bottom. From there we had a small up move before this major top. Then let's go and check what happened on 2021. So here it formed. Uh, it didn't give a significant rally, so it didn't work this time. So I mean, again, if you note down the high and low, it broke the low here and high here, but during that time, it didn't give a significant move. But let's go to 2022. So again, here also we can see it made a significant kind of bottom on this day, doji, and from there we had 3-4 days of nice rally. So all in all, you see this 8 January works really nice in the market. So now this is 2023 and it made 8 January was somewhere here. Again, a kind of a short-term top and we had a correction for 2-3 days. So this is a significant date for Indian markets, and so you need to combine these levels with Gann angles also. So it gives you important price levels, and so like this one 21,682 was resistance, and now the big support is around 21,389. Similarly, at times it doesn't work because, I mean, if multiple cycles are meeting, then, it becomes quite confluence of even Gann cycles. So like yesterday, I told you in one of my videos, like we had Mars ingress also. So similarly, if you see Nifty, you know, So Nifty was at 49th bar, even Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty were at 199th bar. These are important, numbers based on Gann techniques. Like this was near 199th bar. That has broken Gann angle also. So we have to combine these many things. So, this is the basic thing. Like this strategy, I mean, this works on any instrument. Let's suppose I'll take an example SPX, and again let's go in 2007 because S&P made a top in 2007. So 2007, 10, 11, I think somewhere in November it has made a top. Yeah, 11th October 2007 it made a top. So let's see what has happened. Let's see 11th October 2020. See again a perfect top on 12th October. 11th might be a holiday. Then 2021. So these simple things works quite nicely when it comes to, yeah, see again a small top and a rally. And let's go in 2022. 2022 again, see it made a perfect bottom around 11th 12th October, and from there big rally came, right? So and similarly 11th October 2023 also, let's see. So you have to just go back and see the chart. See again kind of a major top, and from there a big fall. So this is about S&P. Now one important date which is coming is for Bank Nifty. If I go in 2008, this is something you can keep an eye on. 2008 01 14. That was the global financial top of Bank Nifty. So 14 Jan is an important day. Let's see this does this rate really work or not? Let's see. Yeah, it works quite nicely, right? So I mean you can backtest this. So this is a very simple way of finding anniversary dates. It can be done on stocks, cryptos, commodities, whatever is your choice. And yeah, that's about it. A very simple video how to find anniversary dates. So keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you.